Sarah's hands trembled as she sat at her desk, staring at her phone. She needed to apologize to her best friend, Kayla, after a heated argument that left their friendship in pieces. Sarah had tried to say sorry before, but Kayla either ignored her texts or responded with short, cold replies. Every time Sarah started typing a new message, it felt empty or forced, and the weight of her regret grew heavier. She feared that her words would only sound manipulative, making things worse. Sarah remembered how they used to spend hours talking, laughing at silly jokes, and sharing secrets. The silence between them now felt suffocating. What if there was no perfect way to apologize? Could her actions speak louder than words? She wondered if she should show up at Kayla's favorite coffee shop with her favorite drink, or if she should stay silent and let time heal the wounds. Each option carried the risk of being misunderstood, but doing nothing would only deepen the divide. What should Sarah do? Here are the choices. A. Write a heartfelt letter explaining your feelings. B. Apologize in person using simple, straightforward language. C. Use actions instead of words to show your regret. D. Stay silent and let time. Prove your sincerity. What should Sarah do? Be the first to know. Subscribe now for the next video update.